I used to dread opening my inbox. I got so many emails, mostly junk, but I have to check them all to find out the one or two critical items. It was a massive distraction that cost me valuable time. Then I started to experiment with AI agents, and I built one that handles the task for me. It reads my inbox and tells me exactly which email needs my direct attention. I save hours a week and start my day distraction free. This is an example of an agent, and I bet you're curious how it works. But before I show it, let me explain what an agent is. An agent is an intelligent system that observes its environment, plans the next steps and possible outcomes, and then takes action to achieve the objectives on behalf of a user or system. It follows the Observe, Plan, Act, or OPA loop. My morning brief agent does exactly that. It checks my inbox, reviews emails, and tells me what to focus on. Let's take a closer look at how it works under the hood. The first stage is Observe. The agent starts each morning at 7:30 and checks the environment, in this case my inbox. It scans for new emails from the past 16 hours, identifies senders, and detects patterns that matter, like urgency or VIP contacts. The second stage is Plan. Based on what it observed, the agent reasons about how to achieve its goal, which is to prepare a short, actionable audio briefing. It reasons through which emails to include, how to summarize them for maximum clarity, and what order they should be presented in the brief. And the final stage is Act. The agent then uses the tools available to execute the plan. It connects to Gmail to pull the data, uses OpenAI to generate the summary and audio file, and finally uses Slack to deliver the briefing to me. That's how the agent completes the full Observe, Plan, Act loop. Perceiving its environment, reasoning about priorities, and taking action without any manual work. The key component of any AI agent is the system prompt. You can consider it the blueprint that gives the AI model reasoning instructions. For example, it directs the agent. You are preparing a morning audio brief. Use a warm, energetic conversational tone. Structure, open with "Good morning, Eric." Include 1 to 3 urgent items and generate up to 5 action-based tasks. Here's the result. Take a listen.
Good morning, Eric. It looks like a relaxed day in your inbox. No urgent emails from Nando Steenhuis or pressing deadlines. Most important right now, you have 2 days left to make the most of your trial. There's an invite from Sylvia Kwok for an event titled Eric Sylvia.
But it doesn't end there. After the agent is done briefing me, it then automatically archives irrelevant emails and marks them as read. It also logs all archived emails in a Google Sheet, which I can scan once per week. This agent frees up my time to focus on actual decisions instead of spending time digging for information. So that's one simple example of how an AI agent works. It observes, plans, and acts, freeing you from repetitive tasks that don't need your attention.